I don't know if you can see, but there's no crosswalks out at this intersection. We think we have to go under. Escalator up, stairs down. So there's people coming from all different directions, and there's stores in all directions. CD, DVD. Oh, look at this place. Books. Somebody screaming on a speaker. Several people screaming on several speakers. We're going down there. I think we want this way. 7-Eleven. And they wrote it out. So I went into 7-Eleven. People getting drinks. This is how you pay. You put the money in and the change comes out there. The person behind the counter just really doesn't do anything. See, they have all sorts of prepackaged food. Cup of noodles. And a 7-Eleven guy. So I think we're across to the other side of the street, but we're going to stay down here as long as we can, right? There's a cake store, I think. Ah, it's a restaurant.
Tea room.
Tea room. Ah. Or water. Here's some tea. We're going to the Hiroshima Castle. See it on that sign right there? So we're headed the right direction. So the trash cans say bottles and cans only. There's no other trash cans anywhere around. And now Hiroshima Museum, Hiroshima Castle. Prefecture office. So we're going to go up this way. Wait. Let's look at the map here. So here's the Peace Park. We crossed here. We went down the mall. We came up, and we're right there. So we're gonna come up above and see the castle. So we're going upstairs because the sign said Hiroshima Castle. So there's a sign trying to direct us to Coca-Cola and cotton candy. Oh, I see. We're still not up. Oh, I guess this way. Shiny. That is a busy street. And this is the Hiroshima Museum of Art. In there someplace. So that's the Hiroshima Museum of Art. So all these point down, which I guess means down into the tunnels. But it's a very decorated tunnel. So we're probably gonna do all these, but we'll go to the closer ones first. See, we're right there, and it's like a big park-like area, and there's that garden they're talking about. There's a large stadium over there. A little bit of construction, and I guess this is the castle, right? That and that. There's something way off in the distance there. Stone wall of Hiroshima Castle. Looks like there's no entrance fee. Eucalyptus. Well, those are the second biggest koi I've ever seen. Hey, the food's over there. Oh well. Look at this thing. It's like wrapped with rope. This is a bombed tree willow. This tree survived. So the koi were over there. We're up on the wall now of the castle. Of course, it's got a moat around it. Oh, look at that. Well, that kind of renders the moat useless if you have a bridge, but I guess you have to eventually. So I came up the rock stairs. If you look there, it doesn't look like any stair. Oh, there's our stairs there. Nice easy stairs. A lot of people over here. Pretty fancy there. I guess this is the castle. There's a big tall building up there. We'll head up there in a minute. Right now we're gonna have a look at this. Oh, it looks like they have ice cream. Got the gate. Everything's in Japanese. Of course. These look like stores, or at least they're selling stuff. Like fortunes.
Yeah. This one is the bone.
Hi.
すごいいっぱいあるんですね。これって何なんですか？そうそう、ネットでしちゃった。ネットでしちゃった。そう、なんかこれがあるんですよ。
That just says exit, cannot go inside. Okay, there's some English. Stay off. Big speakers. So this is the register. It's 400, and I'm putting in a fiver. Oh no! Ooh, look at that! I made her laugh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Arigato. Quanto?
450.
Hiroshima Castle Tower.
You're supposed to go this way and that's down.
Maybe. We're having a super dry. We're gonna walk over to the castle tower. Oh, there's a lot of people up here. And a couple cherry trees. And this red tree looks nice. See the cherry blossoms falling off the petals in the wind.
I think I got it. I know I got it.
I think that's some bathrooms in case you need one. And I think that's a monument. There's people up there on the top. So this is the castle tower. And I guess there's a lot of steps.
Watch his lip.
And people are trying to pose. So you can go in there for $3 or $3.70. So it's about $2.50. Hey, some loyal subscribers, I hope.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anyway,
Cool.
wait, what's your name?
Rob and Jean from Houston.
Houston.
Yeah.
Houston.
Houston. Yeah, Houston.
Texas?
Not the London one. The Texas one.